So this truck behind me is a brand new truck, came off transport. It got damaged somehow on the transport truck. All right, Dave here again, Indigo Hail Repair. I specialize in hail damage removal using paintless dent removal, but I also fix door dings for people whenever they get a little boo-boo. So we're gonna fix this dent for the dealership and the new owner. It's kind of a bummer when you buy a brand new truck and you don't even have it in your possession and it's got a little dent and a little scratch on it, but no worries, I'm gonna take care of it for him. Here's the culprit right here. It's got a pretty good dent there, a little scratch. Looks like it'll buff out. Got a little hole here. I'm gonna wiggle a tool up there and kind of get on it. It's a brand new truck. I mean, brand new. It ain't even been delivered yet. Still got the sticker on it. So, gonna knock this out real quick. My plan of attack, I won't be able to film this and work it, but my plan of attack is to go up through here. And it's pretty tight, but I'm thinking I can get a tool on that. But let me put my phone down here and get to cracking. All right, found a way to fix this sucker. So, gonna massage it out. Okay, just a little tech tip for anybody out there that's doing this. I like to use heat. This is my Milwaukee heat gun. Pretty cool. I like to heat the metal up. It just makes it a little more pliable, less chance of breaking the paint. This is on a brand new truck, real stiff metal. I don't know if this is high strength steel or not. It's not aluminum. A magnet sticks to the door. So for those of you guys that don't know, if it's steel, a magnet will stick to it. If it's an aluminum, a magnet will not stick to it. So that's just a quick, easy way to tell. I can't tell if it's high strength steel. It's not coming up in my system that it is, but when I'm pushing on it, it kind of is pushing like it is high strength steel. But either way, I'll get it out. But I'm gonna heat it a little bit and then work it out, and then I'll kind of sand and buff that little scratch out. It'll be like it never happened. So that was just a quick, pretty easy dent. It was in a tough spot. Luckily there was a little hole right there. Just another little tip. So paintless dent removal, when you hire somebody to do paintless dent removal, it's almost like hiring a tattoo artist. You don't know what the finished product's gonna look like until it's done. So this thing looks good, the customer's gonna be more than happy, but not all artists are equal. So a good PDR guy won't make any holes. A person who's kind of lacks ingenuity might make some holes in your car. So you really don't want that done. So just make sure you ask if somebody does do PDR on your car, ask them if they're gonna drill holes in your vehicle. That's something that you don't want done. So if somebody drills a hole, if I were to drill a hole in this car, the shavings fall down in the door and then they start to rust. And then it creates internal corrosion inside the panel. And then that can lead to issues down the road. So you don't ever want to disrupt anything in the vehicle when you're doing paintless dent removal. You want it to be like, I want the car to look like I was never there, like I never touched it. Normally I don't even like to sand and buff on cars because it does change the clear coat a little bit, but this one had a scratch in it, so I had to sand it just a little bit with like about 2500 sandpaper, just to get the scratch out to make it look nice. And then I polished it up. So the customer's gonna be real happy. If you yourself have a hail damaged vehicle and your car's got 1,000 of these dents in it, don't worry, it can be fixed. Shoot me a message. If I'm not in your area, I can find somebody, help you find somebody in your area. I travel all over the country. I was in Kentucky for a couple of weeks. Now I'm in Illinois for a few weeks. I'm gonna be in Missouri. I'm gonna be in Wisconsin. I travel state to state, so if you have hail damage or even a door ding in your car, give me a ring. You never know what state I'll be at, and I've got friends and acquaintances all over the country. So feel free to message me if you got any questions, comments, and concerns about your car, and I'll do my best to help you as best as I can. So have a great day. Stay dent free.